is new here still. If you're not new, awesome. If you're new, please tell me. We're just gonna do a few advanced moves. Some of you already know what they are. All right, Nicole. This is an advanced move. It is not mine. It is a very, very experienced 20-year-old on Instagram. Okay? So, you welcome, America. Okay, so I am going to do this for the first time with you. So, you do you however you can manage this next exercise. I'm not going to tell you how many to do. We're only going to do whatever each one of us is capable of doing. Gladys? Genevieve? Yeah, you guys know what I'm talking about because I shared this thing with you before. So, thank you, Marta. Okay, Nicole, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's legs. So, let's go. Okay. All right. Spread your legs. Put your arms in front of you. Okay? We're going to do this as best as possible. You're going to snake your way down. You're going to go down and snake up. And then you're going to go back. This is the hardest part. Yeah. And then your right hand is going to touch your left leg. And then you're going to do it again. This floor is difficult. So it's down and snake. And then back. This is where, yeah. Can't do it. See? We'll try again. We'll try again. We'll try again. We'll try again. Yeah. Okay? So if we can do 2. Alright, you'll have to tell me how many you can do. I was able to try and manage 2. When you're doing it, you can feel the muscles like up here and in the front. And now I can just see how this could look really good 30 days from now. Okay? The other move was, what was the other move? Oh, I already forgot. Oh, the other move was, okay? Maybe the other move we can do 5 to 10. Yeah? Nobody saw that. Okay? You like the second one? I think the second one's like a burpee, right? It's like, okay, down, jump in, jump out. Jump in, jump out. Jump in, plank, in, plank. But she was doing this. I'm sure she didn't just, do it on day 1 either. The beauty of this is to do it a little bit every single day. So I'm thinking, just like the 2-2-4 challenge we do this snake move every single day. Like we did burpees. We do it every single day. And we do, 2. And then next day, we try to do 2 or 3. And let's see how we work our way up. Yeah? That's my idea. Okay? Oh my God, so while I'm talking, Genevieve did 6. Okay, I'm gonna do 1. I don't have my hot sign anymore. I'm gonna do 1. Let me try again. You like that idea? Okay. Okay, well I don't wanna keep you. If you wanna do that on your own, because I don't wanna keep you, I'm gonna try, unless you guys wanna stay and keep going. I'm good, I could try my snake thing. Otherwise, we could stretch. It's 17 after. Yeah, I'm gonna try again. Okay, I'm gonna try again. Oh my God. Let's try again. Maybe if I had carpet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh shit. 5. Oh my God. Seriously? 6. Whoa. 7. Wow. Yeah. 8. Oh my God, I can't believe I just did that. Oh my God, I can't believe I just did that. Let's try 10 burpees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is amazing. That is amazing. I'm gonna blah 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 blah. I'm gonna print a calendar. This is good. idea. I'm gonna print a calendar. I'm gonna write down snakes and jump burpees, whatever they're called. I'm gonna stick it on the wall so I say I have to see it. And then we'll write down how many we do. It would be awesome to then take a picture of this calendar at the end of 30 days and share. That way we commit, we legit commit not to quit. Now we need a printer. 3 snakes, see? All right, let's stretch. Write that down, I gotta write that down. That's amazing. Dude, you just did 3 snakes. Seriously? Oh my God, that's awesome. That is so cool. Drink some water. All right, stretch your legs. Great workout. Oh, I'm sore. Stretch your arms. I hope my speech wasn't too aggressive. Is that a word for me? Is that a word for me? Too aggressive? Be aggressive. Isn't that a cheer? Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Right, Jacqueline? Be. Where to find that song? Oh. Whew, I am so, like, everything is sore. I can't even stretch. Okay, stretch. Thank you, Genevieve. All right, I'll see you tomorrow for legs. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. This video is public. Be aggressive. We have so many things to do together. So many things to do together. Okay. You've been sore since Tuesday? got hair in my mouth. Are you drinking enough water, Tahira? You gotta drink enough water. Drink enough water. And put BCAA in your water. Put BCAAs in your water. You should also put Benefiber in your water. Oh, Michelle, when? Oh, really? See, I'm so glad you told me because, you know, my parents passed away and I believe in orbs. And there's been a lot of spookiness in my live workouts ever since I started going live. We've, like, I don't know how long you've been following me, but I've had, like, my TV go on, and then I went live. So I went live, and I brought my phone into the family room. I turned off the TV, and then I took my phone into my basement, and I worked out live. And whoever was on with me for, like, that hour, they saw me turn off the TV, and they heard the TV come back on. And it's been really spooky, but I'm not afraid by any means. And so when I was looking over there, I saw a shadow. And so I always believe that it's my parents. Like, I saw a shadow. So, and then now you're saying you saw an orb. So that's so cool. I'm gonna play it back so I could see it. That's awesome. So Tahira, my water, you know, my water, it has BCAAs and Benefiber in it. Because Benefiber is 0 calories and 0 sugar. Yeah, I'm gonna replay. I'm gonna replay. I wanna see how big this orb. Last weekend, my husband and I went away for the weekend for his birthday, and I did a story in this dress I was trying to wear out, and I saw an orb in the hotel room. So I definitely believe it's one of my parents, you know, coming with. Cool. All right. Well, I hope my speech wasn't too aggressive and it made sense. The only way I really believe this works is the louder I am, the more it sticks in everyone's minds, even myself. So I personally think I'm not being mean or bitchy or anything like that. I'm literally trying to let everybody hear me and recognize themselves and notice their own actions. You know what I'm saying? So that's all that I ever want to do, is inspire others to take action on what each person says they want. And only each one of us can do that for ourselves. No one can do anything like that for us, right? So thank you, Gladys. I appreciate you saying that. It's always nice to hear that validation because you guys hear me, right? Like, I see how you eat and I see whether or not you come to class, but you guys see me talk and shout, and so I appreciate you giving me feedback as I can give you your feedback. That's why I think it's amazing that you do you, I do me, and we do this thing together because it's so hard to do in the first place. Right? All right, so I'll see you tomorrow for squaturas. Legs, so make sure you eat healthy tonight. Don't put anything extra sodium into your body. That is not necessary. Okay? Okay, love you. Bye. See you tomorrow. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Awesome. Sounds good, Marta. Enjoy.